Hey guys, Rookie Luck here, back once again. So I just finished picking into this CISA here, and I thought we would go right ahead and try and get into this Yale. I hear these Yale Euros have pretty good tolerances. I hear they actually have better tolerances than a Yale mortise-cylinder, like I have right here. But yeah, these, you rarely see spools in these, and you rarely see a standard in these. So let's check it out. That ought to work. I'm going to use offset hybrid with my music wire style tension wrench there. And there is quite a bit of flop in there, and that's kind of actually uncharacteristic of a lock with fine tolerances unless it only has spools in there, and I kind of think that's the case because I'm getting counter rotation right away off of one. Really hard to get under these pins. Okay, 1 and 2 are set. 3 seems okay. Lost our false set on 4. Got it back. One fell down, I guess. Two again. 3 seems okay. 4 seems four doesn't seem quite ready yet. Oh, there we go, off of 1. So I guess I must have already set 5 and 6. That's kind of strange. I didn't feel picking them, but I guess I must have. Let's check it out. Maybe not sure. Maybe we have drivers that are too short or something. I always like to check that out. So I'll leave it picked if I can, so we can see if there's any drivers down in the plug there. Hard to say. Kind of wasn't paying attention to what was picked and what wasn't, so. There we go. Grab my little pinning mat. Oops, sorry about that. And where's my follower? There we go. That ought to work. So there we go, that should work. I don't think we need a shim. Alrighty. Put this down a bit more. Again, I don't expect anything but standards in the bottom, but guess we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are all standard. Flip these around the right way. And I actually see a little bit of countermilling. Let's see if I can find my flashlight. Yeah, I think you guys can, I can get a better angle here. I think you guys can make that out there. There's a better view if I can focus and yeah. Not the best focusing camera, and again I hope to get a better one sometime soon, but that's what we have for now, so I guess I'll work with it. Let's see what we have upstairs here. So yeah, we didn't have any drivers in the plug, so I guess I must have picked 6 and 5 without really realizing it. One was a spool, 2 was a spool, 3 as well, 4, 5 as well, and so is 6, so that confirms my my suspicions. That's why we're getting counter rotation right away, and that's why the core was so floppy. So that's what this Yale had. All standards in the bottom and all spools up top. And again, the core had some light countermilling, but countermilling nonetheless. You can definitely feel and hear that, and see it if the camera would focus properly. So pretty cool lock. I think one of the first locks I have that has a countermilling besides ones that I've made myself. So yeah, West Coast Picks, man. Thanks once again. I wasn't expecting all these euros besides the Corbin Russwin, the Sergeant, and even the Corbin was a surprise. Everyone else, don't pick locks that don't belong to you, and don't pick locks that you don't have permission to pick, and have a great day. See you on the next one.